Hi everyone. In this guide, I'll show you how to update Windows 10 using the Update Assistant. This is the easiest way to make sure your system stays current and secure in 2025. First, open your web browser and go to the official Microsoft Windows 10 download page. Look for the Update Assistant tool and click Download Now. Once the file is downloaded, run it. You may see a user account control prompt and click Yes to allow it to make changes. The Update Assistant will check your system for the latest Windows 10 version. If your PC is ready, click Update Now to start the process. Your PC will download the update and install it automatically. This may take some time depending on your internet speed and system performance. Don't turn off your computer during this process. Once the update is installed, your PC will restart. After reboot, you'll be running the latest version of Windows 10. You can verify this by going to Settings, Arrow System, Arrow About. And that's it. Updating Windows 10 with the Update Assistant is quick and simple, keeping your system secure and up to date. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more Windows tips.